Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to make a simple ping pong game. And yeah, let's get started. So first you're gonna name your game, ping pong. Then delete the scratch cat because that's not what we're using. And then go to browse a sprite. And then if you just scroll down, you're gonna see a paddle right here. And just set the size of it to 125. Go to its costumes. And you can stretch it out. And then go to the ball and you can change the size of this to like an 80. And yeah. Now go to the paddle code. The paddle code is very simple and it's easy. Just grab whenever green flag clicked, grab a forever loop, emotions, click the drop down and you're gonna click this. Now you can just browse for also a backdrop. You can pick whatever backdrop you like, doesn't matter really. And now you're gonna go to paint a backdrop. So just make sure the fill is black and make sure there's no outlines. Then select this and just hold on a second guys. Make sure this is all filled so you can't see any white spaces. Now select the text, obviously change the color of your fill, and then type in game over. And then you can change it to whatever font you like. I personally like this font. And you can change it to whatever size is best for you. And I'll just write this try again message, stretch it out, and boom. So I'll make this a bit bigger. Hold on. Yep. And that's about it. So now you're gonna go to your paddle code and grab another one green flag clicked. So this is like optional for doing it on the ball code or this code. I'll just do it on the paddle code. So what you have to do here is just switch backdrop to neon tunnel. So all this is gonna do, so like every time the game ends, and this is just gonna switch the backdrop back to neon tunnel. So as you can see, now you can go to your ball code and grab another one green flag clicked. Go to your control, grab a forever, go to your motions. You can type in 15 to 20 steps, I will say is good. And then you can scroll down a bit and you'll see this if on edge bounce. Get that. And you can get this point in direction. You can do 40, something between 40 to 60. And then as you can see, whenever you click the flag, the ball's just gonna be bouncing. So now whenever the ball touches the paddle, you want it to like either bounce off, right? So you're gonna stay at your ball code and grab another whenever green flag clicked. Grab a forever loop. If then statement, go to your sensing. If touching the paddle, then are you gonna do this? Turn 180 degrees. And then we're also gonna make a variable for our score. So name it score. And then you're gonna do set score to 0, else it's just gonna keep the score at whatever you left off with. And then go right here, change score by 1. So now you can see, whenever you just touch it, it's gonna bounce off. So we got that done. And now you want like whenever the ball touches like the like the end or of the like the red line, you want it to say game over. You're gonna go to your backdrops. You're gonna make like a quick red line here. Just do this. Boom. Oops, just delete that. Then go to your code for the ball and grab another when green flag clicked. Then grab a forever loop and grab an if then statement in that. And you're gonna do if touching color. And then you're gonna see this icon right here. Click that and you can pick this red color. So it's perfectly, hold on, I don't know why that didn't work. Just click this red color, yeah. And then it's just gonna so whenever this is touching the red color, then you're gonna go to your variables and you're just gonna set it to, don't need to do anything to that. I think you can just do that and then set my variable to 0. And then you're gonna go to your controls and then you're gonna get this stop all button, and that's actually you don't need to do this. I'm just gonna this is just gonna stop everything that's going in the code. So now you're gonna go to your looks and you're gonna grab this switch backdrop. So you're gonna do switch backdrop to backdrop 2, and it's gonna stop everything. And then you're gonna, yeah, and then that's the game, guys. So let's test it out. Let me go in full screen, guys. Alright, let's see. Okay, I don't need to know why it's not working. Hold on, guys. Alright, there we go. Okay, but I think it's lagging for me. But if you do try to make this game yourself, I'm pretty sure it'll work. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you guys, bye.